So hi everyone, you are going to learn the fourth part of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. I would like to tell you what is the meaning of present perfect continuous tense. The meaning of this tense, that when we have started any work in the past and that work is running till now in the present time, so that is called present perfect continuous tense. Now let's know what is its identity and what is its structure, and we will also know in this video how to translate these sentences. So the structure of this the identity of this sentence, when with main verb ता रहा हूँ, ती रही हूँ, ते रहे हो, ता रहा है, ती रही है, these words are coming, so that is called present perfect continuous tense. Except these words, if ता हुआ रहा हूँ, ती हुई आ रही हूँ, ते हुए आ रहे हैं. So these words also indicate or express to the present perfect continuous tense. Now let's know what is the structure for making this making the sentences in present perfect continuous tense. So structure is subject plus have has plus been plus first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. So first we have to take the subject, second we have to take the helping verb and using been with it, and after it you have to take verb first form at fourth number and then in the fifth number ing. With verb ing you have to add after it main object. Then if time has been given in your sentences, then you will use since for and plus time. Now before we start the translation, we should know some main points. Now I tell you, when in such kinds of sentences time has been given, so for the time since and for both are used. It means when in your sentence time has been given, so we use since or for. If time has been not been given, so we will not use since or for. Now second point, which is very important to know, since for both are prepositions. Since and for both are prepositions which express the certain time and uncertain time. Now the third point, since is usually used for a point of time and for is used a period of the time. So since word, that is the preposition, for that is also preposition, both are used the period of the time and the point of the time. Since is used for certain time and for is used for uncertain time. I hope you have understood the introduction of the present perfect continuous tense. Now let's make some translation in present perfect continuous tense. Now look at the first sentence, which is in the present perfect continuous. आप पत्र लिखते रहे. So now you can recognize or identify the sentence. This is the verb, and in the last of the verb te rahe word is coming. So that is the identity of present perfect continuous tense. Now structure has been given. To translate this sentence, first you have to take the subject. Subject is you, with you helping verb have, you have, then been, after subject helping verb, then you have to take verb first form and ing. लिखना, write, and you will add ing, writing. What? Patra. Patra is an object like letter. So आप पत्र लिखते रहे हैं, you have been writing letters. Now second sentence, वह जीवन में संघर्ष करता रहा है. So ता रहा है, this is the identity of the present perfect continuous tense. So now we will make, first we have to take the subject. Subject is he, with he we will use helping verb has, after has, then been, and after been संघर्ष करना, दिस इज द वर्ड, संघर्ष करना मीन्स स्ट्रगल, सो ही हैज बीन स्ट्रगलिंग, विद स्ट्रगल वी विल यूज ing, स्ट्रगलिंग, जीवन में, इन द लाइफ, so he has been struggling in the life. Now second sentence is complete. Now look at the third sentence. हम आपको पैसे देते रहे हैं, so देना, this is the verb, and in the देना, ते रहे हैं, word is coming. If this word is coming, so we can say this is the present perfect continuous tense. Now let's make the translation. हम we have, with we will use have, after it been, then main verb, that is the main verb, gift, and with gift we will use ing. We have been giving you what? Paise. Paise means money, so we have been giving you money. Now sentence number 4. The fourth sentence is वह दिल्ली में 2 साल से काम कर रहा है, वह दिल्ली में 2 साल से काम कर रहा है. Now you can see in this sentence time has been given, 2 साल से, so this is the certain time or uncertain time. This is the uncertain time because we don't know what is the exact time, so therefore we will use for. And whenever time has been given, so you will put or you will use it in the last as a object. So he, first we will take subject he, after he, has, and then been, he has been, काम कर रहा है, it means working, and with work you will use ing, and where, दिल्ली में, in Delhi, he has been working in Delhi, 2 साल से, means 2 years is not certain, therefore we will use here for 2 years. Now this sentence is complete. So now the fifth sentence is आप सुबह से कुछ सोच रहे हैं, so time has been given. When time has been given, so that is also present perfect continuous tense. But if time has not been given and in the last of with main verb रहे हैं, रहा है, रही हैं, these words are coming without time, so that is not called present perfect continuous tense, that is called only present continuous tense. So you have to be careful about the difference between present perfect continuous tense and present continuous tense. Now let's translate this sentence. आप सुबह से कुछ सोच रहे हैं, so you have been, सोचना, think, and now you are going to use ing. You have been thinking something, कुछ means something, and सुबह से, सुबह means morning is a certain time, so we will use with it since morning. Now look at the sixth sentence. The sixth sentence is वह बचपन से कहानियां लिखता आ रहा है. Now in this sentence the time has been given and बचपन means childhood. This is also certain time, so with it we will use since. And now in this sentence ता रहा है word is coming. If ता रहा है, ती रही है, ते रहे हैं, these words are not coming. But ता आ रहा है, ती आ रही है, it is coming, so that is also present perfect continuous tense. So you should know about it. Now he, subject is he, with he we will use has, and with has we will use been. Has been लिखना, writing, he has been writing, कहानियाँ, स्टोरीज, बचपन से, So this is the certain time, bachpan, it is also coming in the certain time. So with it we will use since childhood. So the perfect correction of this sentence, he has been writing story since childhood. Now sentence number 7, that is हम 2015 से साथ में रह रहे हैं. So time has been given, so that is present perfect continuous tense. But if time has not been given, so it will be only present continuous. So हम 2015 से रह रहे हैं. Let's make this sentence we. With we will use have, and after have then been, we have been, रहना living, साथ में together, we have been living together. 2015 से, so again this time is certain time 2015 because year name has been given, so therefore we will use here since 2015. Now sentence number 8, वह 2 दिनों से आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. Again the time has been given, so that is our present perfect continuous tense. Now 2 दिनों से, 2 दिन means 2 days. 2 days is uncertain, we don't know about which day in this month, in this year, how many. So this is totally uncertain time. So with it we will use forward. So first we take the subject. After taking the subject we will take has, and after has then been, इंतजार करना, waiting, आपका, he has been waiting you, or also you can use here forward also you can use. He has been waiting for you for 2 days. So right correction of this sentence, वह 2 दिनों से आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. He has been waiting you for 2 days, or he has been waiting for you for 2 days. Now the next sentence is वह 2 बजे से खाना खा रहा है. So time has been given, so this is our present perfect continuous tense. Now let's make, first take the subject he, with he, helping verb has been, he has been, ha, it is verb, eating, he has been eating, object the food, this is the object. 2 बजे से, this is the certain time, so with certain time we will use since. He has been eating the food since 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, this is the certain time, therefore we are using here since. Now next, आप मुझे 2 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं. So once again time has been given, 2 साल, that is uncertain time, so with uncertain time we will use for. So first subject, you have to take the subject you, and with you have been, you have been, पढ़ाना, this is the verb because first subject after helping verb, and then we have to take the verb. पढ़ाना means teach, you have been teaching मुझे, it is the object, me 2 साल से, for 2 years, you have been teaching me for 2 years. Now see next sentence, that is हम 3 महीनों से पैसे खर्च कर रहे हैं. हम 3 महीनों से पैसे खर्च कर रहे हैं. So this is also present perfect continuous tense because time has been given. So हम with we will use have been, and after helping verb then we will use verb खर्च करना, spend, and then we will use here ing with verb. We have been spending money for 3 for 3 months. We have been spending money for 3 months. Now the last sentence, बारिश पिछले 2 दिनों से हो रही है. So बारिश होना, this is the verb. Subject has not been given, and when we talk about weather, time, day, so at the place of the subject we use it. So here we will use it. Second, with it, helping verb will be singular, and singular helping verb has. So it has been, बारिश होना, raining, it has been raining. पिछले 2 दिनों से, पिछले means the previous 2 days. So when पिछले word is coming, so this is also indicating or expressing the certain time, means last 2 days. So here we are going to use it has been raining since word, because पिछले word it is the symbol of certain time, since last 2 days. So now the translation is complete. I hope you have understood the present perfect continuous tense very clearly.